Hello, I'm Juliette, a French artist who knows nothing about computer science or anything like that, and I decided to make video games. So in the first video that you can watch here, I don't know where, I typed my very first line of code, and now I have an idea of what my first game will be. So this is the plan for this week. As you know, I'm an artist and the environment will be very important for me. So with my mouse, very quickly as a prototype, I've drawn backgrounds, several layers, and then trees and bushes to interact with, and the first foreground with the grass. And the goal was to code a parallax effect, so it seems like 3D because the objects that are far away from you are going slower and the object who is closer to you move faster. And it was very easy. It was just like one line of code for the speed of the image. The next part will be in French, I'm sorry, I will put subtitles, and for the next videos I promise it will be in English. Thank you, sorry.
Bonjour, j'étais hyper hypée d'avoir réussi à coder toute seule quelque chose sans aide et je reviens sur mon menu Start Pause qui est hyper compliqué à gérer pour moi et notamment parce que je veux absolument qu'il puisse être manipulable avec les flèches ou le contrôleur manette et pas seulement avec la souris. Ça me paraît absurde pour un jeu qui se joue avec des flèches de devoir reprendre la souris juste pour relancer pause. Et j'ai vraiment beaucoup de mal à trouver des tutoriels avec ce punaise de UI folder. Voilà, c'est le but d'aujourd'hui.
I struggled a lot. I was very annoyed that it took me like 3 days to do this thing that I do not care about. So I've ended with 2 systems. There is a start room with buttons that only work with the keys, arrows, and they are submenus, and it was with a tutorial. It was a little bit difficult, but it is great. And I have a pause and start menu, which is only usable with a mouse, and it is made with the UI folders that I hate of GameMaker, but for now it will be okay.
Bonjour, aujourd'hui mon but va être de travailler sur des dialogues quand 2 personnages se rencontrent. Voilà, j'ai très froid, j'ai un gros plaid, un gros pull et un café bien chaud. C'est parti.
For the dialogue, there is a lot of ways to achieve this, but I stick with the YouTuber that I was watching. It was a lot of parts in the tutorial, I didn't finish it yet, but the goal was to make an entire system which is very reliable, modular, and easy to implement after that, and also I can respond to the NPC with options, and I really like that. I learned from my mistakes, so I test all of this in a completely separated file and then integrate it in my game. And it is ugly for now, but it works.
Bon, je suis un peu éclatée. Je pense que j'ai un peu toute la base qu'il me faut. Maintenant, il va falloir que je pense véritablement au gameplay, à qu'est-ce que le joueur va faire, avec quoi je vais interagir, parce que pour le moment, j'ai du mal à avancer sur les codes des objets, puisque je ne sais pas exactement ce que j'en attends. Voilà, là, je pense que ça va être un petit moment hors de mon logiciel et plutôt sur papier pour pouvoir définir les actions du joueur, quelles en seront les conséquences, qu'est-ce qu'il aura besoin de faire, d'explorer, de trouver, etc.
This is a part of the game making that is a little bit difficult, challenging, more challenging for me because I didn't play a lot of games, I didn't achieve a lot of quests, so it is hard for me to make statistics about what makes the player wants to go further in a game, wants to achieve something. There is a lot of information to give to the player, like the controls, and I want to give it in a way that is in the storytelling. So I've brainstormed and come up with four parts. There is an introduction to learn the controls and understand the context, why we are here and what we are searching for. There is the first quest. In the first room, we have to search in the bushes and find a dog. There is a second room where you have to find a cat in searching in trees. And finally, you have to find the last animal and return to the beginning so you can end the game. with this, I have a big idea of what the player will do and the object that I need to code. So the first thing that I coded was a bush that shakes when you touch it, so you can know that you are searching in it. I struggled a lot. I don't know why. I tried this 3 times and the third was the good one and the simplest one. So I made an image and with the liquify tool I just made it shake. When nothing happens, the speed of the image is 0, so we are stuck in 1 frame, and when we are touching it, the speed goes up and the animation is playing once and then it stops and we are going back to the image speed 0, 1 frame. The second object was the same, but the dog is hidden in it. There is the animation who is playing and the NPC dog appears and a dialogue box appears too, so you can talk with him. And I update a line of code in the player so we can track if the quest with the dog is finished. In this making I had a funny and cute bug where the dog is created in a lot of... I don't know what happened, but it was quickly solved and I was happy to have a bug like this because I just have boring bugs because I mistype something. So with all of that, this is where I am today. I have a start menu that launches the game and I can look at the poster and it gives me some context. I can go search in bushes and find the dog. He appears, talks to me and says, let's go find the cat. So we are going in the next room to find the cat. And well, we are not going together because he is not following me yet, but this will be for the next video. Thank you for watching this video so far, and thank you also for all your kind words in my previous video and all your advice. If you can't help me, please help me because I feel really bad at what I'm doing and really unorganized. But I love this. I really spent a lot of time on my computer to do all of this. Thank you again and see you in the next video.